kailan may snowstorm saka naisipang lumabas.
What, babe?
No, I'm just recording a video.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh, it's beautiful.
You're on the ground now.
Hi, Zola. Zola's playing, having fun. Slowly, slowly, baby. Slowly, slowly. Up, up, up. Slowly. Okay, you can do it. Yay! Good job. Good job, baby. Lamig. Lamig, lamig.
So it's different, huh?
Gusto ko lang bumili ng tela. Tapos tela so I can make Zola's outfit for her birthday. Tsaka ang tawag na to, beans, kasi may order akong tatapusin bukas, pansit.
Come on, sweetie. We're going to the store, okay? Come on.
Matt! Hey, babe!
Hey, sweetie.
Ayan. Say hi, babe.
Hi, babe. Come on, sweetie. Let's go.
Zola! Let's go, Victoria! Look at Zola. Come on, let's go, anak.
Come here. He's got to be wondering, like, hey, yesterday it was really sunny.
Yeah.
There's this stuff out here. What is even the world? What is it? What goes on outside these doors? It's different every time.
Ganito dito sa Colorado. Minsan 4 season in one day. Like in the morning mga 6 AM ganyan, winter, tapos spring naman mga noon. Tapos summer pag mga 2 PM. Then in the afternoon, ayan, umpisa na naman yung lamig. Tiglamig. Let's go, baby. Look at her. Let's go to daddy. Go. Kung kailan nagka snowstorm, saka naisipang mamili ng tela. Yung sasakyan na. Slowly, baby, slowly. Ayan. Pupunasan pa yung tanggalin pa yung snow. Daddy will clean the car first, anak. Ito yung Come on, let's go inside, baby. It's okay, babe. We'll stay here for 2 minutes.
Okay.
She's having fun. Are you having fun, anak? Daddy is going to remove the snow. We'll have to close this one. Yay! Woof! It's cold.
When you bring her in, take her boots off so they're not getting
Yeah.
snow everywhere.
Oh, I have to go inside the car na. Medyo malamig. Come on, Zola. Let's go inside the car na, anak. Daddy has to clean it first. And then we'll wait inside, baby. Come on. It's really cold. So, andito kami sa car, sa loob muna, habang si Matt naglilinis dun sa labas. Kailangan kasi tanggalin yung snow bago mag-drive para hindi siya hindi siya liparin ng hangin sa freeway. Ano na lang din, respeto, di ba? Kasi pag nilipad yan ng hangin, eh mapupunta dun sa kabilang sa ibang sasakyan. Yan yung nangyari sa amin the other day. Yan siya. Zola, say hi to our friends. Zola, uy, say hi to say hi to our friends. Say hi to Dad. Ayan si Matt, oh. Naglilinis. Yan. Maano na yung snow, yung parang dumikit na talaga. Kailangan siyang tanggalin kasi pag nilipad yan ng hangin. Yan yung nangyari sa sasakyan namin the other day. May nilipad na plastic container yung isang sasakyan. Tapos, napunta dun sa sasakyan namin sa harapan, kaya nabasag. Kailangan namin mag-file nung insurance para sila yung mag-handle na. Say hi to our friends! Hello, friends! We're going to the store, friends! Hey! I love you. Which one? Walang tao.
Snowpocalypse 2021, Denver, Colorado.
Drive safe.
Many millions of people drive on this freeway, but it's very few people right now just because if you're not crazy like we are, you're at home safe. We're crazy. Huh, Sheila?
Yep, we're going to Walmart.
Keep an eye on us, go right here in case the car comes.
Of course.
I don't see them right now.
There's no cars. Laki nung nila, oh. Parking lot, yun yung tindahan. Yeah! We're going to Walmart to buy fabric and some vegetables for my cooking. Come on, let's go. Mommy has to go inside. She's just so happy. She really loves it when she go out. Babe, it's kind of wet there. You need to hold her because she might fall down.
Where, Zola? Where?
There, see? There's some puddles.
Come on, sweetie. She's got her boots on.
Careful, baby. Quick. Ayan, tapos na. Pauwi na kami. Zola. Yay. Pauwi na. Say hi. Say hi to our friends. Self-checkout lang kami. Self-checkout.
You said she'll send someone?
Yeah, I asked her I need help and then...
How long ago was that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Where's our car? Over there? Okay.
There.
Dude, there's like this big old snowstorm, dude. I got my
Wow, look at the sky.
boots and
Weird.
waterproof insulated boots on, John. They were supposed to get 40 inches of snow.
Zola, where are you?
We've only got like 2 inches or something here, you know?
It's a wet snow. It melts when it, but it's cold.
I'm not overdressed. I mean, it's cold and you gotta have some boots on because like it's a slushy snow. So if you're out there walking in tennis shoes and running shoes, you can do that. But then walking through puddles and stuff, you know? But no, Yeah, I'm good. I got a base layer on plus my pants and then a down jacket.